It is almost 2024, and I'm super excited because I have grown so much on this channel with you guys, and you have taught me so much. And I just want to go over some of our amazing bags that we made in 2023. Looking back at every single bag, they were all so special to me, and they really was made from my heart. In 2023, I challenged myself to work harder than I've ever worked before. I pushed myself to make new bags, try new techniques, and take my channel more seriously by committing to making one video per week. And y'all know I try to push out a video every Thursday. Sometimes it get pushed to Friday, and it might just end up being published on a Saturday. I made my first Bible bag this year for the Bible that my daughter got me last Christmas. And I made so many Bible bags and enjoyed the process of building my Etsy shop and making so many beautiful connections with people who made purchases from our shop. I really put a lot of love and time into making each one of those bags. This was a fun project, you guys. The Alexander Wang tote bag. I really enjoyed making this one. It was a lot of fun. All of these bags are so special to me because they just mean so much. I learned a lot making each and every one of them. This was so much fun. The puffy tote bag. I enjoyed making it and wearing it because it's so stylish. And this little upcycle project, I used one of my old favorite sweaters that I really hated to get rid of, but it was just worn out, and so making that bag really turned it into something beautiful that I love so much. The Janice Fringe bag was one of my favorite DIY bags to put together from the Tandy Leather store. And this year my friend gave me a bunch of Louis Vuitton shopping bags, so I did use those to turn into really nice bags like the Mia Sling. And the MagSafe sunflower charger, such a cute idea. Love, love, love it. And my Father's Day gift that I made to my father, it was his favorite knife, and I wanted to make a holder for it. The Tandy Leather store, I spent a lot of time in there. So I made the red leather play button purse just to commemorate our time at approaching 1,000 subscribers on this channel, which I'm so thankful for. Looking back at how far we've come, it just really makes me emotional. And just watching our progress just makes me realize how hard work really pays off. I spent a lot more time with family, like going to thrift stores with my mom and my sister and making the Marilyn Monroe purse. That was a lot of fun. But repurposing and finding new ways to make things that I got from thrift stores was so much fun. And also the shoe bag. Can't forget the shoe bag. I love the shoe bag. I definitely want to make more of these. Gotta love the cute little pumpkin purse. I was so excited about that one. And the shopping bag holder. I use this all the time. It's so useful and comes in handy when I need a shopping bag. And of course that Temu tote bag that I had to cut up and make something else with was horrible. But I was really excited mostly too last year about the free ebook that I created for you guys and any beginner sewer who just needed a little more help with bag making and sewing. This tote bag was definitely my favorite of 2023. My daughter was a big help this year with my Etsy shop and making everything I had to make for Christmas. So I really appreciate her. But most of all, I appreciate you guys because it would not be possible without you. So let's bring in this new 2024 together. I know we're going to create more amazing bags in 2024. So happy new year, and I'll see you next year.